Hello class, we're going to move right along. So from slicing, we're going to use it to look like we replace a letter. Let's take a look at this code over here on the left hand side. Greeting variable, we threw in the strings of hello world. New variable, new greeting, we're saying the string of character of J plus the greeting starting at index 1 going to the end. So that's going to grab this right here. J plus hello world. We'll see what we get when you run it. And you see right there that it indeed does exactly what it's designed to do. It printed out hello world. Grabbed hello world from our greeting, put a J in front of it, good to go. Handy trick if you need to replace single characters within a lot of text, that comes in handy occasionally. Let's move right along. So here we're going to talk about looping and counting. If you want to ever count how many characters are in a string, and the string could be one character to an entire PDF, hundreds of thousands of lines. If you wanted to count how many times that character was in it, you could do it with this method. You're going to create a variable called word. We're going to go back to banana. Create a variable called count. That'll be our counter. We're going to set it to 0. We're going to say for letter in by word, for letter in banana. If letter is equal to A, add 1 to the counter. Else, just keep going till you're done with characters. Let's run it and see how it goes. There's your print line. Are there A's in banana? There's your print word, banana. And it iterated through each character and counted the A's. And your final count is indeed 3. Let's move right along. So the in operator, it's like a Boolean check. So we could say, is A in banana? It'll give you a true or false. Is seed in banana? True or false? Is A not in banana? Is seed not in banana? Let's save this and run it. You'll see that A is indeed in banana. Seed is not. A not in. False, because it is. It's true. Seed not in banana. True, because it is not in. These are handy. I suggest you leverage these. I know there's a couple challenges on them, but enjoy it. And moving on, up next is string comparisons.